guarantees your success. One who visions your success. We are veterans to mentor you at each step. One who notices your every move. We monitor your track records every day. One who cognizes your strength and weakness. We counsel you one-on-one personally. One who creates a daily plan. We start working on the study plan from the first day. One who prioritizes and personalizes you. We have a roadmap for you to achieve your goal. We make your dreams come true. Give yourself the tools to succeed. Why is the VerbalHub the first and the best choice? Because we offer you guaranteed score improvement, money refund policy, classes at 24/7. Whenever you wish, schedule your time. We offer the courses for the MBA exam, GMAT, CAT, GRE, for immigration and study abroad, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, for communication enhancement, writing skills, voice and accent, communication skills. Enroll now. Call 7827040357 or email us verbalhub@gmail.com. You can visit us at verbalhub.com. You can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Twitter, and Instagram.